check urine temperature strip. Colour change, as shown, indicates correct temperature. Dispense urine into specimen tubes. Complete the chain of custody form. Peel off security seals. Place security seals onto both specimen tubes. Place samples into transport tubes. Close screw top lid. Place white copy, top copy, of chain of custody form into the back pocket of the specimen bag, and both samples into the front pocket of the specimen bag. Place the specimen bag into the prepaid postal bag and seal. Sample is now ready to be posted.